now I can see parts of the top of the desk,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't have clothes on top and books stacked.
Uh-huh.
And the layers of paper are much smaller.
Excellent. Excellent. This is actually good exercise for you. I'm going to show you how to really quickly, organize your desk. Okay? Once...
Other than just throwing it out?
No,
Okay.
no. When we see anything which are not straight, it looks disorganized. No matter how much stuff we have, as far as we make things straight, you know what I mean? Like if the paper, then
If it's organized all in one stack.
exactly, and then put it straight. The number one messy thing is always paper. Okay, paper is the messiest thing. As far as as far as you put all the paper together, make it straight and put it on the desk straight, it looks way better. And then you do it now in front of me, okay? But
Okay. All right.
yeah, try.
Then this is the thing. So
Yeah.
then I have to go back through it a second time, right?
Yeah, straight, and then put them on the desk straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see it different.
So
All right.
you do that today whenever you have time, and once you're used to this everything straight method, your brain also started being straight. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you think clearer. Believe me.
Okay.
Yeah, try that.
So we'll clear the mind as well.
Exactly. And then show me the picture, two pictures, your desk and a computer desk. Once you did, okay? Excellent.
Okay.
When do you think you can remove the computer desk? The reason why I'm asking you is once you remove the computer desk from the home office, it will change a lot. Like that. September 16? Excellent.
I'm writing it down.
Yeah, please write it down. September 16. So by then, you're not gonna have this computer in the home office anymore, which means that's the day I think your room is gonna really look totally different. Okay. By removing that, you can, kind of start changing the layout. By 16, this is our goal. All the decluttering stuff, organizing stuff should be done by then too, okay?
That's right. That's right.
I think it's totally possible.
I think so too.
I could see a little more like a energy in the space, clearer. You know what I mean?
I do.
Good,
I
good,
can
good.
feel it.
Excellent,
It feels different.
excellent.
It definitely feels different. I don't dislike being in here.
Great.
I mean,
Before you disliked it,
before it's like,
you will like it. Start liking being there. Hang your picture, art later on the wall, Once we finish the decoration, you will like it more. Excellent, excellent. I'm very, very happy for you. It's working.
thank you. I'm
Good,
happy
good.
that we're doing this.
Good. Okay, so then, you know what? Let's keep in touch. Maybe we chat again a week later, okay?
Okay, that sounds good.
Good.
Bye.
Bye. You did a great job.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks for all your help.
Of course.
And your
All right.
encouragement.
Of course. All right.